If you've ever felt lost trying to achieve your dreams, AI is about to become your best friend. Are you ready for that? Let's be honest, you're in your mid-20s, right? Maybe even battling anxiety or feeling a bit down. Chasing goals feels like navigating a maze with a blindfold on. But what if there was a way to get crystal clear on what you truly want and actually feel excited about achieving it? Traditional goal setting? It's often about massive to-do lists and unrealistic expectations, setting you up for burnout. You're meant to go slow. Here's the game changer: AI can help you break down those big dreams into manageable steps. It provides a helping hand to get you going. Try this: download an AI-powered goal-setting app. Input a big goal, like learn a new skill. The AI will help you break it down into daily tasks. Track your progress, celebrate the small victories. The AI then adapts, personalizing its recommendations based on your pace, ensuring you don't get overwhelmed. You'll find your motivation soaring, because you're not alone. You're being pushed by AI to achieve your goal. Your dreams are becoming reality. This is more than just setting goals. It's about building a life that fuels your passions. If you keep doing the right things, you'll build a life you love. This is just the beginning. Subscribe now for more tips on using AI to unlock your full potential and transform your life. We'll show you all of this.